Hey! Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind? Or you are seeking new income streams amidst the recent economic turmoil and layoffs? Well, you're not alone. In fact, making money online has become a popular and smart way for people to achieve financial freedom and flexibility. There's a whole new world of the online economy that's emerging, and we've been documenting it over the past few years. In 2023, we're excited to share with you some exciting new ways to make money online, whether you want to work from home or travel the world while earning money. Have you ever dreamed of traveling the world while making money? Well, now you can. With the rise of remote work, more and more people are becoming digital nomads and earning a living while exploring different parts of the world. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection, and you're ready to go. And if you're not ready to hit the road just yet, there are still plenty of ways to make money online from the comfort of your own home. From freelancing to online tutoring to starting an e-commerce business, there are countless opportunities waiting for you. So why not take the leap and explore the exciting world of making money online? Who knows, you might just discover your passion and turn it into a profitable business. Check out the link in the description to watch Complete Earning Course 2023. Subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you.